The Konglonghe Prefectural Nature Reserve is located in Shuangbei County, Chuxiangyi Autonomous Prefecture. It is in the eastern Ailao Mountains. This is dry season in the dry hot valley. Fallen leaves accumulate in the tropical monsoon forest, adding to the feeling of desolation. The sudden appearance of a bright-colored creature lights up the entire valley. This is the green peafowl, a species endemic to China. It has different features with the commonly seen blue peafowl. The green peafowl has an upright crest, a yellow-tinted face, and blue-green wings. The strong pair of claws allow them to run in the wild and climb on trees. The spurs on the peacock's feet serve as its weapon. Its breast and neck are covered with scaly golden feathers. Thus, it was called dragon bird in ancient times. Many female birds tend to have dim plumage. The green peahen, on the contrary, looks as gorgeous as the peacock. Different from the peahen's short tail, the peacock has long trailing tentrices. The tips are embellished with dazzling golden and green patterns. The peacock flaunts its tentrices to scare off the enemy and to attract the potential mate as well. The tentrices are very fragile and need careful maintenance. Plus, they can slow the peacock down. After the breeding season, the tentrices gradually fall off. While shedding feathers, the bird stores energy for the next stage of life. Green peafowls usually set home on the sunny slopes of the open valley. Dry air and sufficient sunlight are good for them to stay healthy. The peafowls come to the river flat at dawn to drink, seek insects, and enjoy the sand bath. This helps to get rid of parasites in the feathers. Other than insects, they prefer sprouts and flowers, especially figs and legume seeds. In the evening, the cautious peafowls return to the forest and rest in the tree canopy. Being a resident bird species, the big peafowls cannot fly long distances. As said in an ancient poem, the peafowl flies southeast, taking rest in less than a kilometer. Having settled in the region, they are used to foraging, sleeping, and breeding in the same area. The green peafowl is an ancient prototype of the mythic phoenix, which was regarded as a symbol of civilization and virtue. There are less than 600 green peafowls in China, making it an endangered species. Protecting the green peafowl means more than appreciating their beautiful posture or their auspicious connotation. We are protecting a friend that has long been coexisting with humans.
的有丰富的这种